In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a clean list, keep it flowing as you type, stop it when you're done, and change the number style to match your document's tone. First, place your cursor exactly where you want the list to begin. This small step matters because your list will appear right at that insertion point, and it keeps your formatting tidy from the start. Now, look to the Home tab on your toolbar. This is where most text formatting tools live, including the one we need. Find the numbering icon, the one that shows 1, 2, 3. Click it. Instantly, your document will be ready for a numbered entry, and you'll see the first number appear. Start typing your first item. When you finish that line, press Enter. The next number appears automatically, so you can keep typing your second item without doing anything extra. Press Enter again for the third, and so on. This automation keeps your list consistent and aligned without manual edits. When you're finished with the list, press Enter twice. That double press tells the program to stop numbering and return to normal paragraph formatting, so your next line won't continue the sequence. Now, let's say your document needs a different style, maybe lowercase letters for an appendix or Roman numerals for a formal outline. To modify the numbering format, first highlight your existing numbered list. Selecting the list ensures any changes you make apply to all the items consistently, even if your list is several lines long. With the list highlighted, click the small drop-down arrow next to the numbering icon. This opens a gallery of styles. Choose the look you want: standard numbers like 1, 2, 3, lowercase letters like A, B, C, or Roman numerals such as I, 2, 3. Your list will update immediately to reflect the style you selected. If you want even more control, click Define New Number Format in that same menu. This is a great option when you need to customize the appearance, such as switching between number styles, adjusting alignment, or adding punctuation after the number. It keeps your formatting consistent across the whole list without manual edits to each line. That's it. You placed your cursor, turned on numbering from the Home tab, typed items while the numbers auto-incremented, pressed Enter twice to end, and then changed the look of your list using the drop-down, or customized it further if you needed. Save your document to keep the changes, and you're ready to use numbered lists with confidence.